My name is Hamza, and today I'm going to explain you about the app marketplace of the Go High level. Today we are going to discuss about the custom JS portion. If you are a developer and you are already familiar with the Go High level, you must know that inside the agency level, if you go to the company object, there is a portion where you can just add the custom JavaScript and custom CSS. So if you are providing some sorts of solutions to your agency or your customers, what you need to do is to told them to just copy the script and add it to your company object. But from the app marketplace, you can just get rid of all this capability. And whatever the functionality you want to be added, you can just add the custom JavaScript here and just told the customers to install the app, and it will automatically append it. Just for an example, you can see I have a little code snippet inside the custom JS portion. Instead of telling the customer to add this code manually, you can just uh, get the code and edit it here and save it. And if your app is installed, you can just go to your location and that the code is popping up here. You can also reference the user ID and user.email in different parameters, like you can use this curly braces parameter and you can just have different kind of functionality. Just for an example, I will show you another code snippet. Like in this code, I'm just checking what is the user role who's logged in this location. And you can just have, like, if the user is admin, just hide the dashboard and stuff like that. You can just play with whatever the DOM structure you want to and attain this kind of capability. You can just also add the custom CSS that will work along with the JS. And all you need to do is to just tell your customers or agency owners to just install the app and it will be automatically there. There will be a detailed video on this as well, but we will discuss it in another video.